guys, welcome back to the 5th day of our coding challenge series, and today we are solving this particular problem which is called height checker. So let's read the question first. A school is trying to take an annual photo of all students. The students are asked to stand in a single file line in non-increasing order by height. That means they are standing in an increasing order by height, and let this ordering be represented by the integer array expected. So where expected I is the expected height of the I student in line. So basically the expected array will contain the heights of students in increasing order. You are given integer array heights representing the current order that these students are standing in, alright, which is not sorted. Okay, each heights I at position I is the height of the I student in the line. Return the number of indices where heights at position I at index I is not equals to expected at position I. Okay, so heights is a non-sorted array, as we can see, and expected will be a sorted array. So what we can do is we can create a new array expected and make a copy of heights array. So basically we will copy this whole array into the new expected array and just sort it. So this is not sorted, so of course when we sort it, so you see now the array is in increasing order. So expected will be a sorted array and it will be in increasing order. Then we can compare each index, like the 0th index, then the first index, then the second index, and as it says, the condition is that we have to return the number of indices where the index values are not equal. So you can see 1 is equal in both array, so we will skip this. Then again we will skip this. Then 4 and 1 are not equal, so we will increase the counter will become 1. Now this is same, so we will skip this, and this is not equal, so counter will become 2. Again this is not equal, 3 and 4 are not equal, so counter will become 3. So you see that the output is 3. First of all, I'll initialize a count variable and make it equal to 0. Then create a new array called expected, which will be equal to, I can create a copy of heights array and then paste it into expected array. So for that we can use arrays.copy of heights array. So this will copy all the values which are inside the heights array into the new array which is expected, but we have to also give it a length. So of course the length will be equal to heights array, so we will do heights.length. So a new expected array will be created which will have all the values which are inside the heights array. So assume that heights array is this, so the expected array will also be like this, will also have the same elements, same length and same values. But now since expected array, as we read, is a sorted array in increasing order by height, so what we can do is we can use arrays.sort and expected. So arrays.sort will sort the expected array in increasing order. So now we have the expected array as well with increasing order in height. Okay, so then I can run a loop, integer I equals to 0, heights dot and then what I can do is I can then compare each index. So the condition is that if heights at position I is not equals to expected at position I, so we will do count plus plus, otherwise we will just skip to the next iteration. So I will just simply now return the count and let's see if it works. Okay, so all the cases passed, and now let's submit the solution. Okay, so we got 2 milliseconds of runtime, which is pretty good, and our code is pretty efficient. I hope you guys understood this solution, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section, and then see you guys in the next video with another problem.